जैसे अल्लामा इकबाल ने कहा है, जवानों को पीरों का उस्ताद कर. So this is what TechTree people are really doing it. So they are letting students, shine and do whatever they want to do in a practical way. Students should be practical in their lives. Whatever they learn, it has to be practical, and it should generate something within them. They should know how to apply stuff. When they go back to their homes, they have something to show to their parents. They have some practical examples to show their parents. उनके पास जितने cells हैं, जितने चीज़ें इनके घर में मौजूद हैं, कुछ ना कुछ बच्चे इसे create कर रहे हैं, which is so interesting.
A helping hand for the youth, a helping hand for the students. They wanted to see the children of Pakistan to learn something new, to learn beyond the curriculum.
इंसान ज़माने से अपडेटेड रहता है, तो आई वुड रिकमेंड अदर स्कूल्स एंड पेरेंट्स एज वेल कि वो स्टेम एजुकेशन को ले ताकि क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग अपने वो बच्चों में बिल्ड करें
to make them the perfect future leaders.
आज के बच्चे को they have enthusiasm, they have so much to show. So when they are engaged in a positive and in a skilled manner, this can be really helpful for them.